the colors 71's right here with me, so I will use it for whole entire nails. I'm not using this. Just get clear, just really thin coat of clear. You don't have to get a lot, and really don't have to build it thick, because I am going to cap it with clears again. And I'm gonna pick some of this. Just let it pick randomly. It doesn't have to be completely smaller and bigger. You can do all different size, I think. Thank you, Lily. Hope everyone doing great. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. How everyone doing over there in all your state? So only thinking of you guys. Make sure you take good care of yourself and wash your hands a lot. Don't touch your face. It's cute. I'm gonna try to get to tiny little ones and just get them blended in. It's kind of earlier for us. Oop, Jada, you dip it in.
Oh no.
It's okay, we'll wipe it off. If it was dry, don't worry, just pick up some of the clear powders, and you can pick up your glitter again. I think. Oh, powder. It doesn't want to come out. Good, and you can add more glitters, whatever, however you like it. It's your preference. If you want to get more glitters all layer on the top of each other, you can. So I am going to cap this with another thin coat of clear on the top. As some of you can just go ahead and apply the nude colors right on the top of it if you want to, but I just want to be is like super transparent clear. That's why I coat a thin coat of it, and make sure you blend this really nice and thin, so then when you apply your nude colors on, it will blend nicely instead of have a lumpy or thickness right in the transitions of the nude and the clear. Always guide your powders right in the middle of the nails. It's not only keep the shape nice and precise, also it build the C curve and structure, especially when you're doing on the tips, like a coffin tape or insert tips, or even if you're using a regular tips. It's always guide it in the middle and cut the powders. Question. Hey Marisol, how are you? This time I'm using size 12. You might see me going back and forth with different size of brush, but everybody using a different size. Like sometimes I use size 14, and sometimes I'm using a size 15. Well, Jada nails a little bit really nice and smaller, so I'm using size 12. But it doesn't matter. It's just not matters that what size you're using. It's matter how much powder you picked up and how much monomer you pick it up. So I don't know what's everybody doing a different size. Jada, what size are you using?
I use a 16.
She uses 16. See, so everybody doing a difference. Like it just doesn't matter how you pick it. What size are you using though, Marisol? Hey Brad, how are you? So I'm gonna pick up number 71's right here in front of me. I'm bring it here so you all can see. It's just beautiful nude from a chisel, and it's so easy to blend, and you will never go wrong with this. I promise. It's like its blending is so easy. I'm gonna do one bead for this. and using the tip of the brush. Today we have 2 nails of doing it because the same design I'm gonna do, so the 2 nails gonna be exactly the same with all 10 nails. If you got chance to do your nails at home, or if any of you in the state that you are not locked down and still working, you can do that design for your clients. Great. I'm so like meticulous and picky, and I see a little bit spot right here I need to fill in. I think it looks good, and I am going to use one more. If you want to blend it more, like to make this more pink, blend it more, you can always add it on, because this is such a stunning color that even you dip it by itself or doing a monomers, liquid and powders, acrylics by itself, it still looks really good. So it's in like a really natural nude pink for the clients who want to be kind of a natural nails look. Or you can use it with pink and white ombre, or you can use with any, like you see me use this with other colors like a pink, purple, green on the other video that we did. So I'm gonna apply the clear on the top. Here is the spot that you need to cap it, because it's not only, well, I already capped the glitter, but this is that I did to cap my ombre part, so then when I file them, they will not gonna like take off my nude colors. So it's great. What about this? If it doesn't look perfect, we can shape it nice later. Great. So let's move on to the next one. See, it's gonna be exactly the same like that. You're gonna use the same step with all of them. And then the next one, I'm gonna do just solid nude colors, because we're gonna apply the cute sticker on. So easy. Hey Brad, how are you? Hey, I couldn't see that comment, but I'm gonna make sure I'm say hi. I know Jada's really hard on her nails, so I'm gonna build it really good for her without look too thick and not too thin. It's just like a right ratio of her nails length, because really she's really active. Make sure that she's got her nails right, Jada, and keep your nails nice and
My last set lasted 3 weeks.
yeah, last 3 weeks. Crystal's still on, and her encapsulating is really nice. This usually when I do liquid powders, solid colors with chisel powder, I usually don't have to cap it, because the powder is really consistency. It doesn't give me a trouble that with the marble look at all, so I don't even have to worry about cap it with clear. So when I'm doing a solid like this, usually I don't cap it clear unless I do ombre. Great, so I think it's good. I'm not clean that one up. It's just for your information. I'm gonna close it. Solid number 71. It's really good for you to even do a solid color or pink and white, or pink and any other colors. We did green, we did yellow. It looks good though. Okay. Cleans my brush really well.